Google Sheet Dark Theme. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Once the home page appears, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file that you want to work with. Wait until the spreadsheet loads completely and the worksheet becomes visible on the screen. After the sheet is fully displayed, observe the current interface carefully. You will notice that Google Sheets usually appears in light mode, where the background is white and the menus use bright colors. Before making any changes, take a moment to confirm that the screen is still in light mode. Since Google Sheets does not provide a built-in dark mode on desktop, you will need to use a browser extension. To begin this process, open a new tab in your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store or Extension Marketplace. Once the page loads, move your cursor to the search bar at the top of the page. Click the search bar and type keywords such as dark mode or night eye. Press enter and wait for the search results to appear. After the results are displayed, observe the list of available extensions. Look through the options and choose a dark mode extension that suits your needs. Click one of the extensions to open its detail page. On this page, you will see information about the extension and a button to install it. Click the Add to Chrome button to begin the installation process. A confirmation pop-up may appear, so click Add Extension to proceed. Wait a few moments while the browser downloads and installs the extension. Once the installation is complete, observe your browser interface. You will notice that the overall appearance of the browser changes to a darker theme. This indicates that the extension is active. Now, return to your Google Sheets tab. After going back, observe the worksheet again. You should now see that the Google Sheets interface has changed from a light background to a dark theme. Take a moment to review the new appearance. Make sure the text and data are still clearly visible. If needed, you can adjust your sheet layout to improve readability. Finally, continue working on your spreadsheet as usual. You can now enjoy using Google Sheets with a dark theme, making it more comfortable for your eyes, especially during long working sessions.